Abusia Abranti here with the screen is in a collaboration with the sitting president has established a tire manufacturing company in Burkina Faso. Say you can say talking about Burkina Faso since their coup or their military leadership, they have been doing an amazing job, and that is making the democratically countries are almost democracy to rule their country, in Africa, making them shivering and shaking. Yannick Laurent Bado, one Ibrahim Traore, ultimately in a collaboration, putting and setting up a tire manufacturing company. Everything is locally made. Nothing is imported. Who person who the full story, I kindly stay tuned, watch the video to the end as I'm about to bring you the full story. Now subscribe. Now share video you will be who are joining the comment section. Let's get into the news. Yannick Laurent Bado is in the heart of Burkina Faso. Now he is a mastermind trying to change the narrative, and then he's trying to establish and then change the narrative for Africa as we can depend on ourselves. We are not self-reliant. He was trying to do something in his country. So was started say, I'm going to put up a tire manufacturing company, just like how Kantanka is doing in Ghana here. And he set up a tire manufacturing company, and Abino, the sitting current president Ibrahim Traore, came into his aid. And our baby says, Abranti, what do you need at this moment to make a tire car manufacturing company, make it one of the best across the globe? And Abranti say, I may need your support in this kind of sector. So the president also decided to, help the guy to make it expand the business into Burkina Faso. He is producing tire, car tire, and every vehicle tire in Burkina Faso. And then the motive, any vision, not to compete within Africa. He is trying to make it a global tire manufacturing company. Tire manufacturing industrial sector, they are capturing that sector. And mind you, making Dama assembly so different, and people are really talking about this. Is we have same person in Ghana here who goes by the name Apostle Kwajo Safo Kantanka. Everything is made here. Where cars in agriculture sector is very good there. Every sector that the man is good, he is good at that point. And then he has been in this country for almost 50 years and over, manufacturing and developing things with his own mind, with his own money, no investment. Now, Yannick Laurent Bado, the government, the sitting government, in collaboration, supported this young man to put up and set up this tire manufacturing company in the country, just to create jobs. One, to uplift the country's bad name on the global market. Two, and to sell and then bring the profit back to the country. It will create the income. No, it will not go outside. It is within the country because everything is locally produced. It is a ton in a global market price. We are selling it, and then mind you, if an African is manufacturing something, he has been in the continent for since birth, and then when the roots, so he is making the ties depending on our root conditions. What I said, he is making the ties depending on whatever we are willing to use in the continent. So Yannick Laurent Bado, whatever he has been doing with Ibrahim Traore has made the people love Ibrahim Traore more than they used to at first. And Yannick also is kind of a visionary person, also very good in that sector. So he is trying to transform his country. Then why is it that we have so many talented people within the continent who are also doing well job, but they are not being supported by the government? So the people are asking, say if that is the case there, that means the democratically leaders, our democratical leaders, those that we vote into power, no, if they are not doing this, and then a military leader is doing this for his country, then what is the sense in it? Say, because a democracy is much more better than the autocracy. I know people come to my DM, and then people will go into the comment section now make us say, oh, we have also been witnessing the autocracy, which the leaders are not allowing the citizens to also share their mind and thought about this. But let me also make this clear to you guys. what makes the difference is that even the democracy, the leaders also don't listen to the citizens, and that is what is bothering the people. So if Ibrahim Traore is collaborating with this top-notch innovator to, set up a tire manufacturing company in his country just to create jobs to uplift the country's name in the global market, then why is it that the democratical leaders can't also do this? Let me see your comments in the comment section. This is Carmen Temizun. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar, High News Headquarters. Now, Yannick Bado, Yannick Bado, and then Ibrahim Traore in collaboration has set up a tire manufacturing company in Burkina Faso. Who are in the comment section? Share this video so that it will get many more views and likes, so that people will also get motivated to also, do it within the continent. Thanks for watching. See you in our next episode of videos. I'm out.